Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a drone system that promises some serious aerial capabilities. It's the Ultra HD 4K 60 frames per second FPV drone system, a wide-angle quadcopter in black. This system is marketed with some impressive specs, aiming to deliver high-definition footage and a robust flight experience. Right off the bat, the headline feature is the claim of ultra-clear aerial footage captured at 4K resolution and a smooth 60 frames per second, complete with high-definition anti-shake technology. This is designed to give pilots crisp, stable video from the air. However, it's worth noting that the listed video capture resolution in the specifications provided is 1080p, so potential buyers should definitely verify the actual output capabilities. The system is said to include an advanced O3 air unit, which is known in the FPV world for providing a high-quality digital video feed, enhancing the immersive flight experience. Powering this quadcopter are efficient and powerful 1804 motors. These are intended to provide smooth and responsive flights, giving the pilot good control whether they are cruising or performing more dynamic maneuvers. The drone's construction is highlighted as being built with high-toughness, impact-resistant materials, including grain-cut carbon fiber. This suggests a focus on durability, which is crucial for an FPV drone that might encounter bumps or crashes. Further contributing to stability and image clarity is the advanced TPU shock absorption system. This helps isolate the camera or air unit from vibrations during flight, leading to cleaner video. Adding a unique touch, the propeller guards feature an embedded cob light strip. This not only adds to the aesthetic appeal, especially when flying in lower light conditions, but also enhances visibility, making the drone easier to track in the air. Looking at the special features, the drone is described as beginner-friendly, which is a significant plus for those new to FPV or drone flying in general. It's also listed as app-controlled, suggesting easy setup and potentially access to various flight modes or settings via a mobile application. Long battery life is another claimed feature, which is always desirable, allowing for more flight time on a single charge. It is, of course, a drone with camera, fulfilling its primary purpose of aerial video capture. The target age range is listed as adult. Overall, this Ultra HD 4K 60 frames per second FPV drone system presents itself as a capable quadcopter with features aimed at both performance and durability. The combination of claimed high-resolution video, powerful motors, robust construction, and beginner-friendly aspects makes it an interesting option for those looking to get into or upgrade their FPV aerial videography setup. Remember to check the actual video resolution specs before purchasing to ensure it meets your needs, given the discrepancy in the listing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.